syempre kailangan galingan natin mga bigatin para maunin nila from Surf ang 20,000 pesos.
At siyempre, ang dato puti na merong 50,000 pesos.
Syempre, hindi naman magpapatalo ang Energo with 50,000 pesos.
At ang everyday bongga ng bongga mula sa Rexona ang 160,000 pesos.
Yay! Yung mga hindi naman masyado magaling, makakatanggap sila ng consolation prizes from Dato Putoy, Energo, Rexona, and Surf.
Okay.
Okay.
Good luck, everyone. Yan, ha? Mami, good luck, ha? Makatulong sana yung suot mo. Practice
Oo.
tayo. Practice ng Hep Hooray. Go! Hep Hep! Ganon ka-energy para yumaman kayo. Tignan niyo ako,
Tama.
ha? Okay, let's do this! Alert! Alert! Kimbertus, Eklabus, go! Hep Hep! Hooray! Oh, energy,
Oh.
mami, ha? Hindi nakakatulong yung damit. Okay? Go! Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep! Hooray!
Ops, tumalakpak si Cora.
Malakpak sa taas!
Sorry, Cora.
Sorry, eh.
Oo. Okay, alright. O, galingan ninyo. Ay, dito puro mga chubby but happy. O, di ba? Sila skinny but hungry. Tayo, chubby
Aray,
but
aray,
happy.
aray. Bakit?
Chubby but happy.
But we're rich.
Ay, sige. Pero mukha kayong mga gutom. Okay.
Ganon?
Ay, away, tayong dalawa talaga? Parang di bagay? O, sige. O, galingan ninyo. Happiness and energy and go! Paano?
Chismisan, magchismisan kayo, magchismisan kayo, magchismisan
Okay,
kayo.
happiness, energy, go!
Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray!
Oh, sayang, may Cecilia.
Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Nagchismisan kasi.
Correct.
O, alert, ipakita nyo ang mga payat, talagang payat. Go! Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
Ops, tumalakpak si Lorna. Okay, thank you so much, Lorna. Okay, happiness and energy and go!
Hep Hep!
Oh, hindi po
She did not
malakpak.
clap.
Cholesterol na yon. Okay.
Nakita
Thank you
ko
so
yun.
much, Divina. Okay.
Alert! And go! Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep! Hooray!
Oh. Napagod siya eh. Ayaw niya itaas yung kamay niya. Napagod siya eh. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, natira ang mga payatola. Okay, happiness and energy and go!
Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep! Hep Hep! Hep!
Bye-bye! Sorry, Rita. Thank you so much.
Oh, usog na kayo mga kapatid.
Ah,
Kaya, usog na
correct.
tayo doon. Usog na. Alright. Alert! And go! Hep Hep! Hooray! Ah!
Rowena, bakit, Rowena? Alright. Tatlo na lang. Oh, may fans club si Petrus.
Taray.
From Cebu. Okay, galingan ninyo from San Diego. Ikaw is from where?
Palit. Pampanga.
Okay, galingan mo from Pampanga. Go!
Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep! Hooray!
May lag ng konti yung San Diego,
Oo,
no?
ganun. Kasi malayo
Oo,
siya.
faster, faster. Okay, and go.
Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
May lag
See?
talaga.
Delayed via telecast siya eh.
Oo, fast,
Okay.
ha, fast. Okay, and go.
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray!
May lag eh. Isa na lang, ha? Isa na lang po talaga.
Mami, bilis ang mabilis. Mabilis
Oo.
kahit ano gawin mo
Oo,
basta
ito,
mabilis.
Panoorin nyo yung dalawa. Panoorin nyo yung dalawa. Go.
Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep! Hooray! Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep!
Hooray!
Hep Hep!
Hooray! Hooray!
Alright, dalawang na lang sila. Galingan ninyo.
Miss Pitchy, where are you from?
San Francisco.
Want to say hello to everyone in San Francisco.
Hi, Delhi City nurses. I'm here in Wawawi. I just want to say hi to everybody. My son Julian, who's watching me right now, hello. I miss you. I'm going back tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow, you're leaving tomorrow. It's a good thing that you're here.
Well, I begged him to come.
And then what happens? May maraming mga pangyayari. What happens? Okay?
I did not make appointment ahead of time.
Really? You've been here for how many days?
A week.
A week? Are you having a nice time in the country today?
Uh-huh.
That's right. How many kids do you have, Mom?
Right there. I wanted my daughter to be here, not me.
Oh, what's your cookie? You'll have a pretty, beautiful, sexy daughter. What's her name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. How? Come on. How are you doing?
Good.
Are you single or married?
Boyfriend,
We have a boyfriend. What's the name of your boyfriend?
Ricardo.
Want to say hello to Ricardo?
Hi, Ricardo.
Hi. Okay, nice to talk to you. Okay, Mom, good luck, okay? That's right. If you don't mind, are you married now or
Single.
single?
Yes.
But why?
I like being single. Maloney said hi.
Who?
Maloney Mario.
Malonay?
You're comparing Maloney.
Malonay? Oh, Malonay! Hello, Miss Malonay. Mommy, I like the way you dress up. Look at that, huh? How do you call that?
I don't know, anklet?
Anklet. Yeah, this is. How do you call this? This one is? This one?
I don't know, sakong?
No, in English. What? This is one. This one is what?
Sakong. Ankle.
That's right. That's uncle. This one is auntie. I like the joke. Uncle and auntie. That's a good joke. Actually, that's a new joke. Hi, thank you, Mom. Thanks for talking. Lani, are you from the Philippines or other country?
Philippines.
Philippines, good. Okay, anong ginagawa mo dito, Iya? Ano ginagawa mo?
Wala, nanonood lang.
Nagtatrabaho ka ba? Ano ba? Ikaw ba busy?
Bahay lang.
Ba, may asawa?
Wala.
Dalaga? May anak ka na?
Meron.
Ilan ang anak mo?
Sa.
Isa? Oh, ba't ka parang malungkot ka ba?
Hindi.
Sino gusto mong batiin? Huwag kang kabahan. Ganda-ganda mo. Sino gusto mong batiin, Lani?
Yung mama ko, tsaka yung ano.
Di ba batiin mo?
Yung mama,
Batiin mo na!
yung mama ko, tsaka yung mga, ano, barkada ko.
Okay.
Taga-Pampanga.
Tiga Pampanga. Batiin mo yung mga tiga Pampanga.
Hi.
Ano Pampanga ka ba? O, tigang kentetong.
Hi, Chuna Wawawi.
Chunang wawawi. Ano? Sige, masarap kasi ang lambing na ano eh. Kapampangan ngayon eh.
Yun lang, pap.
Kapampangan ka.
Hi, ma. Pangadiman yung boot ko.
Oh, yan. Ano yung di man yung butchot ko?
Sana manalo ako.
Sana manalo siya. Di man yung but ko. Okay, let's play the game, ma'am. Peachy, good luck sa inyo, okay? Okay, itong mga prizes. Bawat isa, meron kagad kayong 2,500 from... Come on.
2,500 from Sir, 2,500, and Mabuhay!
Thank you, Miss Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Mabuhay, walang ginagawa. Nakataka lang dyan eh. Sige, at least nabuhay ka. Okay? Okay, good luck. Let's play the game. Dapat mabilis, mamis. Stay with the Lanis. Medyo lapit kayo. Let's play the game. Go!
Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hep hep,
Hooray. Hep, hep.
hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hep hep,
Hooray.
hep hep,
Hooray.
hep hep!
Hooray.
Meron ba kayong mga sakit? Alakay, may mga trangkaso kayo, okay? Ngayon naman natin eh. Hep, hep, hooray! Come on, let's do it like that, okay? Go!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep. Hooray.
Hooray!
Thank you, Mom Betsy! Yun, that's a good sport. Mami, thank you so much. Ako